good day. My name is Oyelekan Victor, and I happen to sign up for a Reispar Business Analytics academic program, and I am here to present on our first case study, which focuses on Vasta Wireless Service Carrier. And firstly, I would be stating out the summary of the case study, which I have the summary written down, and secondly, I would be stating out my preferred solution to Vasta Wireless Service Carrier challenges according to my research. So first, Vasta Wireless Service Carrier was one of the largest wireless service carrier in USA with a reliable national network and superior customer service. Their strengths were comprehensive national coverage, superior service quality and reliable network, and also higher inventory availability and customer satisfaction. Then, as much as they had their strengths, they also had their weaknesses, and their weaknesses were lower inventory turnovers and higher operating costs when compared to other competitors, and also their services and products priced higher than industry average when due to higher operating costs. The main challenge faced was its cost efficiency, most especially in the inventory costs. Now the task to this case study are: number one, write a problem statement; two, the basic model and methodology; then three, analysis, solutions, and the results. So here is what I found, and here is my result according to my research. Starting with the problem statement, the company, which is Vasta, wanted to maintain their status as the market leader while finding ways to reduce cost and enhance efficiency. There was also the need to address areas of inefficiency within the cost structure while ensuring that customer satisfaction still remained very, very high. So that is that on the problem statement. Now, going to the basic needs and methodology. On the basic model and methodology, number one, it is important for Vasta to conduct a cost analysis in order to see where there is an opportunity to reduce cost in any of the departments, be it marketing or logistics. So it is very, very important for them to evaluate the current cost structure and identify where there is an opportunity to reduce costs. And this involves analyzing expenses in all the departments just to know where can we reduce costs and still produce. So then secondly is monitoring and evaluating or measuring the result of costing and customer satisfaction level or improvement. Is monitoring and evaluating or measuring the result of costing and customer satisfaction level or improvement. Then thirdly is Vasta needs to train their employees or incorporating feedbacks, and this would help keep track of their development level and customer satisfaction. So these are my findings on the basic model and methodology, which is one, Vasta needs to conduct a cost analysis. Then they need to monitor and evaluate or measure the result of their costing and customer satisfaction level or improvement. And thirdly is them training their employees in order to keep track of development level and customer satisfaction. So that is that on the basic model and methodology. Now on the analysis, the solution and the results. On the analysis, Vasta faced challenges in its handset inventory, leading to a significant write-off. Then the solution, Vasta should reduce their costs, and such as optimizing inventory management and supply chain logistics. Then also on the results would be them achieving cost savings and also reducing overhead expenses and operational inefficiencies. Then thirdly, they'll be maintaining higher level of customer satisfaction. So these are my results according to my research on this project. So it was a very nice and beautiful time with Reispar Academy, and thank you for putting up this platform for learning. Thank you very much, and have a great day.